Introducing the asTech Digital ADAS System from Repairify. Here we have one of the most advanced ADAS calibration kits on the market, capable of dealing with the majority of advanced driver assistance systems that you'll encounter. The digital system requires a shorter setup time than any of our competitors, allowing your technicians to be more efficient. Our patented Keystone technology allows quick projection of the manufacturer targets for further reducing setup time. All target boards required for front windscreens are stored digitally within the software, which means less storage space needed and less time spent on each job. Any new targets released are included in your subscription, meaning you'll never have to buy a board again. The system covers the most common makes and models and is constantly updated to include the latest vehicles, ensuring the largest market coverage. A dedicated team are always on hand to answer any questions, resolve any problems, and help you get your cars back to the customers as quickly as possible. All you'll need to be able to carry out a calibration with our kit is a clear flat bay, a power source, an internet connection, a battery support unit for the vehicle, and a readily available technician. Prepare the vehicle by applying wheel clamps, attaching the battery support unit, inserting the dongle to the OBD port, and turning on the ignition. Next, plug the system into the mains and allow the software to automatically load and connect to the Wi-Fi. Then use the tablet to select the vehicle and follow the simple instructions to input the required measurements. Select your process and follow the prompts to carry out the calibration. We have a variety of packages available, tailored to suit your needs. These can be purchased, leased, or financed. Visit our website to get in touch with one of our sales team.